I know that we said that it's potentially to sell a business or to take it public. What are the reasons you would want to value a business, excluding those two examples?
Great question. Nobody wakes up one day and says, I'm going to get a business valuation today. Or no owner wakes up and says, oh, I wonder what my business is worth. It doesn't work like that, right? There's a need for why one might ask for evaluation. And usually those needs are they're hoping and expecting or anticipating some kind of a transaction, right? Selling a part of the company or shares of the company or the entire company. Or they might need a valuation for insurance purposes. They want to know, hey, I need to get insurance on this asset or the stadium or this building, and the insurance company is asking me what it's worth. So I got an insurance valuation. Two, you could get a valuation for tax purposes that you need to file taxes or you need to pay gift or estate taxes of some kind. And the IRS or the tax authority wants to know what it's worth so that you can file taxes appropriately. Or number four is for accounting purposes. If you invested, say, $100 into a company or a business 2 years ago, your accountant or your CPA wants to know, hey, what is that $100 worth today? $100, 100, $200, or $500? Or finally, somebody's suing you and they say that, no, 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 you owe me 10% of that business. Well, 10% of what? So in those cases, you need evaluation.
Okay. That's very interesting. And do you advocate people doing evaluation when they don't have to do those things? So I suppose you laid out the options, but do you think that they'd be better informed if they did do that when they didn't have to?
Do you, Thomas, go to a doctor and get an annual checkup?
I don't personally, but I think it would be wise to.
Okay. Um, did you have a examination or a test of some kind at the end of every semester?
Yes.
Yeah. Precisely for those reasons. You may want to get a valuation for your business on an annual basis because you might be working on your business or in your business and you have no idea. Have you actually created value or you're just doing busy work trying to just hustle, right? Unless you know that, hey, I added value this year, you're just sort of running yourself into the ground,
Mm. And
right?
I would assume that that helps with education as well, which is what you're promoting.
Education about your business, evaluation, like same thing, you go to the doctor and the doctor says, you ought to better take care of yourself. Your cholesterol doesn't look good, your skin is breaking out, do you have too much stress, you got to improve your lifestyle. Doctor will give you some advice similar to evaluation person will say, okay, look, your business is worth 25 and you ought to better take care of it, and these are some of the things you can do to make your business worth more. The same way a doctor says, hey, how about cutting out on red meat? Or how about reducing your caffeine intake? Doctor gives you these advice similar to evaluation person can say, hey, look, you want to increase your business's value? These are a couple of things you can tweak and that'll increase your business's value.
Mm. And if you're doing it regularly, year on year, you can track the metrics and improve or do more of what's working and less of what doesn't, right?